The country can only expand through visionary and responsible leadership. Ramaphosa was addressing hundreds of delegates who attended the Limpopo Economic Summit outside Polokwane. The summit is aimed at revitalizing industries as a way of creating jobs. He says corruption is hindering investment opportunities and rapid economic growth.
Tourism, mineral resource and agriculture are the pillars of Limpopo's economy. Industries that were instrumental in expanding the provincial economy have collapsed, but a process to revive the industries is underway. Ramaphosa says the province must attract investors.
If you want to attract investors, you must demonstrate that you can plan your economy, you can come up with strategies that will be able to grow your economy, and that you are a stable entity, province, country, and that you've got not only astute leadership, but wise leadership. Leadership that is committed to the people of our country, leadership that will not be found wanting in any respect whatsoever.
Ramaphosa also lashed out on corrupt government officials. He has called on the private and public sector to employ more young graduates.
Good governance must mean that we have cut our links with corruption. Good governance must mean that we have rooted out people who are corrupt within government structures. That's what good governance must mean. And good governance must mean that when we see corruption, we must act on it immediately without any delay. Because delayed action against corruption just really brings in a cancer in any organization. And the rot just becomes bigger and bigger and bigger.
He has also called on the private sector to add more funding for infrastructure development. Deputy President Cyril Ramaphosa says Limpopo is better placed unlike other provinces. This is a gateway to Africa where investors can come in numbers. He says the province needs to be corrupt-free so that investors can come and invest in this province. He also urged private sector to take in a huge number of young graduates so that they can expand the economy of the province and the country at large. Mike Maringa, SABC News, Polokwane.